JSW Energy has completed the purchase of additional shares in Toshiba JSW Power Systems from Toshiba Corporation for 150 crore rupees, increasing its stake from 4.6% to 20.7%. The deal strengthens JSW Energy's ownership in the joint venture and improve access to critical steam turbine generators used in power plants. This move is expected to support the company's thermal power expansion plans and strengthen its equipment supply chain. Aurobindo Pharma subsidiary Curatech Biologics has received ANVISA approval for its biosimilars manufacturing facility in Hyderabad. The approval followed a successful GMP inspection covering biological APIs and sterile products. It will help the company expand biosimilar supplies to Brazil and the wider Latin American market. MobiKwik has approved an investment of about 60.85 crore rupees in MobiKwik Distribution Services Private Limited and up to 1 crore rupees in MobiKwik Securities Broking Private Limited. The funds will support the expansion of its digital lending and stockbroking business. The company will continue to own 100% of both subsidiaries after the investment. REC Limited has incorporated Dharashiv Power Transmission Limited as a wholly owned subsidiary through REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited. The new company will develop the 400 kV gas insulated substation Solapur Paranda switching station project in Maharashtra. It will later be transferred to the successful bidder after the competitive bidding process.